Welcome to Royal News Updates.
Hello, royal folks. It's good to see you all here again. Before we move on to any further details, I would really love to thank you all for your enormous love and support. And in case you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for, guys? Hit that subscribe button now. Also, please don't forget to press the bell icon. The Duke of Sussex is to ask the High Court judge to rule in his favour without a trial in his libel case against the Mail on Sunday, as he aims to echo his wife's legal success against the same newspaper. Prince Harry will apply for a strikeout or summary judgment at a hearing due to be scheduled in the next 2 months after both sides failed to reach a settlement. He sued Associated Newspapers Limited, ANL, over an article published last February that said he had tried to keep secret parts of his legal fight with the Home Office over his security and had attempted to spin the dispute in his favour by claiming he had offered to pay for police protection. The piece suggested that when news of the Duke's legal battle with the government was first revealed, his PR team released a statement saying that he had offered to pay personally for UK police protection, but that it was refused. The Duke claimed the publication attempted to spin the situation by implying he had lied and had improperly and cynically tried to manipulate and confuse public opinion. The piece suggested that when news of Harry's legal battle with the government was first revealed, his PR team released a statement saying that he had offered to pay personally for UK police protection, but that his offer was declined. In February 2021, his wife, Meghan Markle, successfully sued the same newspaper group when they published extracts from a letter to her father, Thomas Markle. After 2 years, the High Court granted a summary judgment in her favour, which she hailed as a comprehensive win over illegal and dehumanising practices. Harry's lawyers have argued that he had offered to pay for security for himself and his family whenever they travelled to the UK, and that it was agreed at the January 2020 Sandringham Summit in front of the late Queen and King Charles. They added that in February of that year, the offer was reiterated in a meeting with Sir Mark Sedwill, then Cabinet Secretary and UK Home Security Advisor. ANL have argued in their defence that this offer was not made or communicated to the Executive Committee for the Protection of Royalty and Public Figures, RAVIC. They are contesting the claim using the honest opinion defence and will argue that it did not cause serious harm to his reputation. During the first stage of the claim in July, Mr. Justice Nicklin ruled in the Duke's favour, concluding that the royal was defamed by parts of the story because it suggested that his actions were discreditable and that he had intended to mislead the public. However, he rejected the argument that Harry was accused of lying, saying, "The article does not make that blunt allegation, whether expressly or by implication." The hypothetical ordinary reasonable reader would understand the difference, as a matter of fact, between spinning facts and lying. So what do you think about this news, guys? Do you think Prince Harry is the one who is guilty here and Mail has every right to expose the truth to everyone? Write down in the comments what you think and let me know. Until then, guess we'll just have to wait and see if things turns out to be something after all. Also, if you never want to miss any of my sizzling royal updates like this, subscribe and press the bell icon. As simple as that. Thank you so much.